Withdrawing your funds or money from Zora app is easy. What you can withdraw is you can only withdraw ETH and rewards. Sparks purchased with a credit card cannot be withdrawn. So in order to set or update your withdrawal address first, you need to open your Zora application, log into your specific account, and go to your profile first. That is in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right to go to settings. From this page, you need to scroll down and tap on cash out that you will find in the linked account section below the linked wallet. Tap on that. Now you need to go ahead and enter the Ethereum wallet address where you want to receive your funds, and then tap on done in the top. Make sure that this is your personal wallet address, example MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, or Binance deposit address. After this, you need to withdraw in the Zora app. Ensure that you have a balance in your Zora app. Go to wallet and then tap on cash out option. That is between add money and send option. Go ahead and tap on that. Choose the amount you want to withdraw and confirm. Zora will send the ETH to your specified address, and you will receive an email notification when the transaction is processed. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.